Tutorial 3, Rain Lily. What we need: pipe cleaner, 6 light, 3 dark color, 2 green, half yellow, paper tape, steel wire, glue gun optional. Make 6 small petals, around 4 centimeters long. Left hand pinch tight. Take a darker color and cut in half. Get it through the petal and twist tight. Stretch and adjust. Take a half yellow stem. Shape 3 pistils. Assemble. First layer 3 petals. Take 2 green pipe cleaners, twist in the middle to make leaf. Wrap paper tape. Remember, stretch to make it sticky. Wrap more in the end, in case tape loosens. Finished! Follow to see more.